Hi, welcome to my demonstration for homework 6. Here's task 1. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're kind of hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Yep. So then moving on, task 2. I've turned them into spheres. See if you can see them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One's hiding somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's around here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here's all 9. So, task 3. We've got this grid. And I've added both spheres and cubes. And so you can see if you're in a dark square and you're on something, it turns black. And then if you're in a white square, it'll turn white. So that's black, and then turns white, black, just like that. So, as you can see, works. Thanks for watching.